Today I will show you how to make Japanese curry. You will need onions, carrots and potatoes, and this is optional. I just want to finish this, so I'm putting celery in it. But if you don't want, you don't have to put in there. And then you will need this, we call it roux. It's like paste that you can put in. This one is meat, medium hot. So it's not too spicy and it's not too mild. Well, this is actually pretty mild. But there is a mild one that all my children ate since they were small. Because they are a little bit bigger now, they can eat medium hot. If you like spicy, there is a hot one, and also uh, this is the mild kind, but there is a different brown that gives you a lot more like uh, a lot more spice in there. And then you will need a water and ooh, I forgot the meat. Let me go grab the meat. Okay, so this is the meat that I'm going to use today. I bought it at a Japanese supermarket. This is thin slice, so it gets cooked quicker. But you can also use like a block one or cubed cut one. Depends on what you like. And also this is pork komagiure, like cutting small pork. But you can also use chicken, beef, or even people use seafood. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first I will start cutting onions. Here. Okay, finally I can start cutting. So I'm going to slice the onion. Since we're still frying it, you don't have to cut it really thin or anything. I'm using 3 onions today. Onion gives a sweetness, so I like to put it a lot, but you can do with 2 if you like. Okay, onions done. Okay, next is the carrots. Carrots, you just want to cut it like any shape you like. Okay. Next, potatoes. You kind of want to cut potatoes the same size as carrot so that it will finish cooking at the same time. But there's no one way to do it. There are so many different curry that different family makes. So whatever you like, it's fine. I think curry is the first cooking that I learned. At Japanese school, we cooked it at school. There was a home economic classes. I think it was grade 4 or 5, which was pretty fun. And I will do celery. Instead of 1, 2. I want my children to eat a lot of vegetable, and it's healthier, so I like to put vegetable. Okay, so all the vegetables are ready now. I am going to cut meat. Okay, so let's cut the meat. I defrost it in the microwave. It's already thin sliced, so just I guess whatever the size that easy to eat. I used to cut really small when kids are small, but now I think this size is good. Okay, I think all the ingredients are ready. Let's start cooking. Just turn the fire and a little bit of oil. And then all the onions. Okay, so it started heating up. And cooks until the meat is like outside of the meat is cooked. Okay. The hot water. And I'm going to let it cook for a while. I added 2 cups of water first, but I'm going to add 3 more cups. Okay, it's boiling. Whew. Okay, let's put carrots. Because compared to potatoes and celery, I think carrots takes a little bit longer to cook, and or maybe celery because it has a good broth in it, so I like to cook celery for a long time. Okay, I will let it cook for a while, and then I will put the potatoes in. Okay, it's boiling again. Ooh, I'm trying to do some other housework between, so I tend to forget. Okay, put the potatoes in. Okay, so when the potato gets soft, we're almost done. Okay, so wait another maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so it looks like the potato is cooked. Depends on how soft you want. Our family likes it not too soft because the potato will melt. So open this paste to see how it looks like. Oh, I'm holding the camera by one hand, so trying to with one hand. Okay, so it's nicely divided to two portions. So this is serving for, okay, so it's 12 servings. So if you have a big family like mine, I will just use all of it. But if your family maybe less than 3, then you can just use half, and then you can save it, save half in the room temperature as long as you don't open it. Okay, and then you want to sort of break it to pieces so that it will be easier to melt. Okay, we're ready. Okay, now when you put this paste, first you want to turn off the fire. Okay, and then I think it's easier to melt. Okay, now put it in. Another one. It's usually a lot easier. I'm just, because I'm holding camera and trying to do it. Okay. So you kind of want to stir until these cube gets melted. Oh my nice. Even when everything after everything melted, it's still, you probably still feel like it's watery, but because we will cook in a low heat for a while, it's okay to be watery. It will get thicker later. So okay, now I'm gonna turn on the fire again, and we'll cook for a while in low heat. think I will want to cook a little bit more to make it thicker. Also, if you like a little bit salty, you can put the fish sauce or soy sauce. You can already eat it like this, but just to give extra flavor, our family usually put the fish sauce. If you don't have a fish sauce, soy sauce is totally fine. Or you don't even have to put it. It just gives the extra flavor. Itadakimasu.
いただきます。
美味しい。